Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Tradingview. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tradingview.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tradingview website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within your dashboard. Now, if you wish to follow someone, then you will simply need to search for them using the search box at the home page. Just click on this search box and now make sure to choose people from the search options. Once you choose people, you can simply type in the username, and once you find the user that you wish to follow, you can simply tap on their ID and you will be taken into their page. Within this page, click on the follow icon at the top right corner and now you will become a follower of this user right away. Once you have become a follower, you can proceed with sending a message and sharing this user. And there you have it. That is how you can follow another user on Tradingview. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.